Our bathroom was old and outdated, and it needed a refresh. So we started by painting the tile instead of replacing it, and it gave it a brand new look. So painted our floor tile, I cleaned it up, and then what I used was a waterproof primer that I found on Amazon for the first coat. It took about 3 coats of this Sticks waterproof primer to really get the floor to look like this. I stenciled the tile. Trust me, it was a lot of work. I didn't get a lot of video because I was too busy in the details, literally, but it was worth it. I finished by covering the tile with a polyacrylic top coat, and it looks absolutely beautiful. And here is the final results. I love it. We put some detailing on the wall, painted it this beautiful, gorgeous color by Sherwin Williams, added some shelving. Again, we painted the white tiles. And if we come around here, you'll see that I painted this vanity, a beautiful green, added some lights and a beautiful arched mirror. And we have a linen closet here that was customized made. And I love it. I'm absolutely in love with the results.